All right, everyone. So here's my website I've created over the semester, and everything that I've learned, I guess, here. And obviously, my business name is called All Around Quick Services. I actually created an LLC for it, and a while back I thought it would be kind of cool to have just simple haul away service or whatever handyman's type of service eventually is what I want to evolve it into. But it's honestly for the time versus what you actually get paid, I feel like hauling away is a quick, usually efficient way to do that. To start off, you can just see I want my number bold. That way, if anyone pulls up my website, types in Google, haul away service, this will pop up and they'll have a straight access to my phone number. That's what usually people want. I also indicate that they can text me. Um, Another thing is it kind of goes, if you click on About Us, I will kind of go through and talk about a little Salt Lake background here, but talks about, hey, we're here, we do all sorts of projects, we do it well, we value our customers. Just really simple. I'll probably add extra different pictures and other things of me. You can do a purchase. I don't know if I'll use this too much, but I mean people can pay directly through PayPal on here. If they want just one fridge hauled away or whatever it may be, they can do two, and it goes on from there. Going into services, it shows just kind of quick services we do. We do concrete removal, debris removal, handyman services. I've actually, these are real photos of projects I've done, so it's kind of cool to show that what we do. And yeah, other than that, I mean, we have our Facebook linked here, our email if they would like to email us. It's pretty simple. I wanted it to be as simple as possible, yet pretty grabbing. That way, it just shows them, look, we're here to handle the need you need. With efficiency and simplicity, and do it for a fair price, because most people don't want to pay a fortune. So, but yeah, this is my website. That's kind of who we are, what we do, and other than that, there's not a whole lot. I mean, we hope to expand and maybe have a couple different trucks and so forth. But yeah, we're excited to see where we can go after I'm done with school and can focus full time on it. So appreciate it for watching. Thanks.